Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So you will need this kind of tool for this operation to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. So just put on the tool inside the hole neck on the slot, and here just put your SIM card, just like this, and then put it back into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter it. And yeah, that's how it could be done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.